Unlocking deals, the early bird offer explained. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phrases and their meanings. In this video, we're focusing on the term early bird offer. This phrase is not just about waking up with the roosters, it's a popular concept in the world of shopping and deals. So, let's unpack what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, early bird offer, is a marketing term that businesses use to encourage customers to purchase or book something ahead of time. The phrase is inspired by the proverb, "The early bird catches the worm," suggesting that the one who takes action early will gain the benefits. In the context of sales and deals, it means that customers who act quickly, or early, can access special discounts, deals, or opportunities that are not available to everyone. It's like getting the first pick of the best deals before anyone else. Let's see how the early bird offer pops up in our daily lives. 1. Concert tickets. Music festivals or concerts often sell tickets at a lower price for early buyers. If you're an early bird, you grab your ticket at a discount before the prices go up. 2. Travel deals. Airlines and hotels may offer early bird rates, allowing you to book flights or rooms at a reduced price if you plan your trip well in advance. 3. Courses and workshops. Educational or training institutions might provide an early bird discount to students who enroll in a course before a certain date. Being an early bird has its perks. Here are a few benefits. Savings. Obviously, the main advantage is saving money. Early bird offers are all about getting more for less. Guaranteed availability. For events or travel, being an early bird means you're less likely to face the issue of sold-out tickets or bookings. Peace of mind. Booking or buying early often means one less thing to worry about as your plans are secured well in advance. The early bird offer is more than just a phrase. It's a smart strategy for both businesses and consumers. Businesses attract customers, and consumers save money. It's a win-win. So, the next time you come across an early bird offer, you'll know exactly what it means and how it can benefit you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you catch some fantastic early bird deals in the future.